Because of how strong the winds are blowing, this waterfall is unable to actually fall. Whoa! This truck opened up and scattered cash all over this freeway, and the driver just took off.
The most insane thing I've ever seen. Someone drop money all over the freeway. Literally everybody stopped on the freeway to get money off of the freeway. This is literally insane.
I was sitting in my room, I was like, oh look. I was like, oh, it must be golden hour, like the sun and shit. Nah, bro, it's Tala, it's fucking Tala, fuck's sake. Every fucking day.
I'll see. You got it. Yeah.
Thanks for watching the video. Really hope you enjoyed it. Tell someone you love them, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take a bit.